Test me multifunctional wire strip. So I'm gonna show you how this work. So look at this. They come very nice packaging. So I'm gonna spill the water. Look at that. And here you can cut the iron. Look, it's very easy. So here you can adjust. So I have the little button right here. So you can test if you have some electricity in the iron. So look, this is completely dead. But come the iron, look like this. This is to make sure don't have electricity run in the iron before you work. So go grab yours before they sold out.